If your mic sounds weird on Discord, or Discord keeps cutting out parts of your voice while talking, the problem is usually caused by noise suppression or noise cancellation settings. So in this video, I'll show you how to completely turn off noise suppression in Discord step by step. First, open Discord on your PC or laptop. Once Discord opens, look at the bottom left corner and click the small gear icon next to your username to open settings. Now, on the left side menu, scroll down until you find Voice and Video. Go ahead and click on it. Once you're inside the voice and video settings, scroll down slowly until you see the Noise Suppression section. By default, Discord usually has this enabled automatically to block background noise. But sometimes it can also make your microphone sound robotic, cut off your voice, or lower the quality of your audio. So if you want to disable it, simply turn off the noise suppression toggle. Then look for the noise cancellation or voice processing options below it. If you see a drop-down menu there, click on it and select None. You can also disable extra settings like echo cancellation or automatic gain control if your microphone still sounds strange afterward. And honestly, if you're using a good microphone already, turning these settings off often makes your voice sound much cleaner and more natural. Once you've finished, just close the settings window. Discord saves everything automatically, so there's no save button you need to press. Thanks for watching.